If you updated your Motorola phone to Android 16, try these amazing new features. In this video, I will show you the top 3 hidden features added in Android 16 on Motorola mobiles. So let's get started. Number 1. First of all, open settings. Then scroll down. After that, tap on security and privacy. Then scroll down and tap on more security and privacy. Now here you can see a new feature called Secure Power Off, which has been added with the Android 16 update. After enabling this feature, nobody can switch off your phone without unlocking it first. This makes your Motorola phone more secure and helps protect your data if your phone gets lost or stolen. Number 2. In the more security and privacy setting, here you scroll down and you can see a new feature called Protect from Online Scammers. After enabling this feature, your phone will help protect you from harmful links, scam calls, suspicious apps, and online fraud attempts. Number 3. In the more security and privacy settings, here you scroll down and you can see a new feature called SIM lock. After enabling this feature, your SIM card will be protected with a PIN and nobody will be able to use it without entering the correct PIN. And that's it. These were the top 3 Android 16 features available on Motorola devices. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.